hindi ka magsu-survive dito sa mundo kung wala kang tiwala sa sarili mo. Kasi honestly, yes, humility is very important. Pero if you're somebody na wala kang self-confidence and self-esteem, you're not really gonna go far in life. Okay? Because especially in the Philippines, where in crab mentality is so common, and sometimes it's the norm everywhere you go, mapa-opisina, mapabahay, or sa lahat is if you're the type of person who don't believe in yourself, who don't believe in your abilities, if you're the type of person na kailangan mong i-push ang sarili, kailangan mo ng motivation palagi sa ibang tao kasi wala kang tiwala sa sarili mo, hindi ka makagalaw. Ganun lang yun. So, although beauty is so important, but self-confidence is really important. Alam mo kung ibang tao 'to yung nagkaroon ng pimple from super kinis na face kagaya ko tapos biglang nagkaroon ng pimple. Kung wala kang self-confidence sa sarili mo, hindi ka na haharap sa camera as in, okey. But because I believe not just in my own beauty, but in my abilities to speak, okay, is nakakaharap ako sa camera kahit na may pimples ako, okay. So, sometimes people tell na nayayabangan sila sa'kin or medyo nalalakasan sila sa personality ko. Lagi kong sinasabi na, kung hindi ako ganito, I would have not survived the challenges that came my way. Yung mga kumbaga hindi ko masu-survive yung mga pagkakataon na talagang dina-down ako ng madaming tao.